HR service and experience cannot just be a seamless application experience. It's much, much more. It's about the entire experience you can provide to your workforce. It's about the personalized experience of the relationships you have at and with your organization. We focus so much on simplifying the experience or providing workflow to connect disparate processes, but we forget the most critical need, which is to ensure the worker recognizes the organization is focused on their needs to make them productive. Now, I'm sure many of you are familiar with this, and specifically these tiers of service delivery, or at least the first three. But the one you're probably not as familiar with is what we're calling the personal tier, where organizations have the opportunity to support the worker as a person, not just as a person that completes the work in the organization. And we know we do not employ the work, but we employ the worker. So for the worker to be productive and effective in their job, they must have opportunities to grow in their career. They must also have personal growth opportunities. Workers can be recognized as an expert based on feedback they receive from their peers and build their internal brand, providing them with the exposure in the organization to be recognized as a leader or an expert. Organizations must recognize and invest in all the tiers of service, especially in that personal tier, to differentiate and compete in this ever-evolving environment.